Hello everyone. Today, for those who are starting Binance for the first time, I will explain it easily step by step, from the registration method to the KYC verification method. Before starting, if you sign up through the link at the bottom of the video, you will receive a lifetime 20% fee discount on Binance and various bonus rewards, so I recommend signing up through the link below. First, let's create a Binance account. Please access through the link at the bottom of the video. Then the official Binance sign-up page will appear. If you look at the left page, you can see that a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus rewards are provided. Please create an account by entering your email address or mobile number. After checking the terms below, click Continue. Please match the picture corresponding to the word displayed in the upper left. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Next, please create a password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be created with 8 or more characters. Then the registration will be completed. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter BB333. Then a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus rewards will be provided. Then your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. To use Binance deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions, you must complete KYC verification. Since the KYC process includes a face verification step, we will continue on mobile. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. And once installation is complete, run the app. Tap the login button and log in with the account you just created on PC. Then it will immediately move to the KYC verification screen. First select your nationality, then proceed with ID verification. Among the various IDs below, please select one ID that can be verified. In today's video, we will select passport. Press Take Pictures to photograph the ID, and tap Continue below. Now align the passport to the camera screen, and clearly capture the information page without light reflection. Next, proceed with face verification for identity confirmation. Align your face to the camera screen, and move your head or blink your eyes. Then the KYC verification process will be completed. Now the KYC verification review will proceed for about 1 hour. And after a while you can confirm that verification is completed. Lastly, let's set up Google Authenticator. Please open the Binance PC screen again. Click Account in the left menu, and click the Security menu for security settings. To set security with Authenticator app, click the Manage button on the right. Click Enable Authenticator app. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Then the Authenticator pop-up screen will appear. Now download Google Authenticator on your mobile. And once download is complete, run Google Authenticator. Then tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen with the mobile camera. Then in Google Authenticator a 6-digit code named Binance will be generated. Please check this 6-digit code. Run the Binance PC screen again and click Next. Here in the Authenticator app code field, if you enter the 6-digit code of Google Authenticator, Google Authenticator setup will be completed. Today, for those who are starting Binance for the first time, I explained it easily step by step, from the registration method to the KYC verification method. If you have any questions while signing up, please leave a comment anytime. Your subscription and like greatly help video production. Thank you for watching.